enter his employer, so his employer will be attached to his insurance. When I click on my employer box, I can simply type in his employer, so I could do J.C. Penney. First thing, I want to see if J.C. Penney is already in here. Let's see. I think, there we go. J.C. Penney, active. I'm going to attach it there because I'm going to pretend like that's where he works. You don't need to have multiple same employers in the database, or I can create a new one. But we're going to choose J.C. Penney. I could put in addresses if I would like. I'm just going to attach the employer. Press OK. Next is the insurance box, or the block, or this window. This is kind of the important part of entering data correctly. When I open my insurance information box, there's this little list to the left. If they have secondary, we do have the secondary section. If a lot of families have primary and secondary, we're going to concentrate on just entering an insurance company. The subscriber is Phil Davis. It defaulted to him because I'm working on him. The carrier, Aetna. Now, when I click the arrow next to the carrier, I am going to have a whole list of insurance companies with the group plan, employer, group numbers. All the information should already be set up in the system. But I'm going to show you if they have to create new insurance, how that will work. So I have Aetna. The group and employer is J.C. Penney's. I simply highlight it and press OK. And this is the place to put that unique insurance ID. It's important to remember it goes here and not in the patient data where it says Other ID. This is your insurance subscriber ID. So we'll do, it's something unique that they always have on their card. Most offices will have these checked. That's nothing to be taught. It should be checked. This just simply means the office will get paid and the payment doesn't go directly to the patient. So typically this will be auto-defaulted. No worries. Okay, we have Aetna. Here's our ID. I need to verify the insurance data for this family. Under the insurance data button, you'll have the carrier, the group plan, the employer, active J.C. Penney employee, with the correct mailing claim address with city, state, and zip codes. You'll also have the right contact phone number, or it can be changed if it's different on your insurance card they've just handed you. You'll have group numbers, and that should be right on the card or linked here. The rest of it auto-defaults, the right insurance claim forms, the payer IDs, nothing they need to have set up. We're concerned about having the right group numbers, with the right employer, with the right subscriber ID. I'm going to press OK. Next step, coverage table. For this plan, just this plan, Aetna, J.C. Penney, we can update their deductibles and maximums. For instance, I'm going to just go to individual. On standard treatment, that would be anything like fillings, root canals, crowns. We're going to put there's a $50 deductible. Maybe there's a cap of $150 on the family. Once they meet that, it's all paid. Preventative, this is for checkup, cleaning, exams, and x-rays. We're going to put there's a $25 deductible, and for the family, $75. There's no other deductibles on other treatment, like on ortho or things. Over to the right, you have your annual maximum benefit. You can see here clearly where it says $2,000 per person in a calendar year. We're going to change that to maybe $2,200 just to make it different. All of us know insurance never covers that much, but we're going to be hopeful here. And lastly, the coverage tables. What percentages are covered? We have it set up as standard. 100% for preventative treatment, 80% for basic, 50% for major, 80% for endo, 80% for perio, and so on down the list. In other words, 50% for most of major, 80% for basic. If we need to change that, if we know on their plan crowns are covered at 60%, I'm simply going to change this to 60%, change it. That's it. Okay. Just have edit it. Do you want me to update it for the whole company? Yes. Because everyone at JCPenney has the same policy. Okay. I have entered insurance for Phil. Now I need to link it to each family member. I select my name. I'm going to open up my insurance box. And it's asking, do you have insurance? Well, if I click the arrow, it shows me in the family who does. So I'm going to choose Phil. Press OK. It auto-defaults. I am the spouse. I don't need to check in data or coverage table because it's already updated with him. Okay. I'm going to choose Rachel. I'm going to open her insurance box. I'm going to go to the subscriber, which is Dad. Press OK. It lists her as a child. It knows it by her birth date. And press OK. And London. I open her insurance box. Go to the correct subscriber for the family and press OK. It defaults to a child and press OK. This is how you can assign insurance to an individual or a family. It looks like perhaps I wanted to show you just a couple more things because I just want to show you what if the insurance isn't in there and we need to make a new one. So let's say I got a brand new insurance at my employer, at Smith's, and I have the insurance. All right, right now the computer says you already have insurance. I actually am going to go to the subscriber list and I'm going to put the current patient, me, Lisa. I have my own insurance. And I'm going to do MetLife Dental. When I select the arrow, there's a whole bunch of MetLifes in here. This is only with Chevron. It's the wrong group number. So I have to create a new insurance company. New. I have to enter all the data that's on their little insurance card that they hand you. MetLife Dental, the group plan. Now this could be unique. Smith's Plan B. Maybe they have Plan A, B, C because one's in management and have better coverage. I don't know. Could be. The employer is grayed out. I have to link it to me. There you go. It's all linked. I'm going to put in an address. P.O. Box. I'm going to put in a city, state, and zip. Let's see. Orem, Utah, and a zip code. I'm tabbing, by the way, using my tab key. Contact phone number there. It should all be on the insurance card. Tab. Contact could be a person. Maybe Susan's the contact person, if I need to. On my card, there should be a unique group number. It's saying it was created and updated today because it's new. It'll already default the claim forms that I need. That's all that I need. Okay. I have it now in the system. Okay. And I now have MetLife Dental. The rest of my family has Aetna Dental. All right. I think we'll go ahead and take a question and answer, and then we'll be taking a break.